Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We have heard the exclamation and the words of Peter to Jesus, "We have given up everything and followed you." And it seems that we are in a way jealous to Peter for having said that plainly, honestly, and truthfully. Tila napakadaling sabihin, binitiwan na at iniwan na namin ang lahat para sundan ka. And it is also our plain desire and prayer that we too can easily say to the Lord, we have given up everything. And why made the request in a way so honest and truthful? Let us go back to the words again, to where it is directed and to whom it is dedicated. We have given up everything and followed you. The apostles did not give up their belongings, their fame, everything that they have had for their families, for some known human beings, for other people, shall we say. But they have given up everything for the Lord and followed the Lord. And when we say giving up, it is something that we are fearful about. Hindi naman madaling bumitaw, hindi naman madaling sumuko, hindi naman madaling talikuran na ang mga bagay na masaya tayo o komportable tayo. But let us bank on to where we dedicate and to where we direct our sense of surrender. We will give up everything, not only to a person, not only to a loved one, but to the Lord. Because, my dear brothers and sisters, sometimes we also seek what will be in replace for what I have given up. Tumulong ako, ano ang makukuha ko? Nagbigay ako ng oras, sana sa akin din mayroong magbigay ng oras. Tama naman, tao tayo, kailangan na natin yun. But when we give up to the Lord, in giving up for the Lord, we receive more than things and treasures. Treasure the friendship, deepen the faith, and experiences of relationships. We celebrate today the memorial of Saint Philip Neri. Saint Philip Neri have had so many experiences of giving up everything for the Lord. Kilala po siya sa Roma noong unang panahon sa lagi niyang pakikitungo sa mga bata, sa mga pastol na sa mga tupa na kanyang pinapastulan. And he was even given the chance, or he was even asked to be appointed or to be ordained a bishop. But he refused the gift of episcopacy, but continued his life as a simple priest in the oratory and with his children. He gave up his time for the Lord so that he can enjoy love and even laughter with children. He gave up comfort so that he can all the more serve his people, God's people, with love and with joy. In giving up for the Lord, we receive more than things and treasures. Strengthened relationships, experience of faith, and deepened relationships. Let us direct our sense of surrender to the Lord, and we will be receiving more than we can ask for, or maybe even things that we can even imagine we are worthy about. Direct your surrender to the Lord and open your hands to receive more than what you expect.